demo array 4, I will take it. Like this. Now you are reading the string and displaying anyway. Display strings in reverse. Reverse. String buffer SB is equal to new string buffer. I am taking the string outside and I am giving to buffer. Here we are displaying now. System dot out dot print ln. Print ln. Here SB dot reverse. Taking the string one by one and we are reversing. Enter the number of strings 3. Enter the 3 strings. Java program multi-threading NIT HYD. They are reversing or not now? Just we are taking the string and giving to string buffer. Okay, right. In the string buffer, reverse method is there, no? So automatically it is not automatically. We are going to give that string to string buffer and from there we are going to print it. So we are going to print it. See the logic. So example is demo string demo array 4 dot Java. See the logic. Just we are reading the 3 strings. You know this already. Now I is equal to 0, a of I dot to string. So first string is coming out. I am passing parameter to string buffer. String buffer third constructor is there, no? Because we spend much time on buffer generally by writing each constructor. Because students should remember them because we write that. So third constructor type, new string buffer of passing string. SB dot reverse, automatically it is reversed. Hope the logic is simple only here. Okay, right. Now, what is the second one now? Write a program to read multiple strings using array and display reverse of words in each string. Okay, reverse of words of each string. You have to reverse it. Okay, right. Now we are going to take the support of string tokenizer to break it. So inside that string tokenizer, see there, same program only, save as. Now, here the reverse of words anyway. Now, whatever the string I am getting now, string tokenizer OB is equal to new string tokenizer of A of I dot to string. This is string. If you don't write 2 string also, 2 string will come. And space. You have to break by the space, no? Break by the space. After breaking by the space now, inside this, we are writing while loop inside. Yes or no? Our logic is there. So here, OB dot as more tokens. Here, next token is coming, no? Right. So string buffer SB is equal to new string buffer of here OB dot next token. It is taking the string and giving, right? Now here system dot out dot print SB dot reverse and some space. Now here system dot out dot print ln. Let us see what happens. Enter the number of objects. Java program HYD NIT multi-threaded. The words are reversed or not now? Reversed or not now? The words of each string is reversed. Here the logic is mixed with buffer, string tokenizer with array. So how many have done this assignment? Raise your hands. Who done very good at? So the idea you are getting or you are trying more. So who completed? Very good. See there, I'll explain this. Demo array 5 dot Java. So see the logic once. Sir, 5 strings are there. Sorry, 3 strings are there. Imagine it. The array is holding 3 strings. This diagram is, sir, I'm not getting ideas, sir. Some people will be there. For them only diagram, where it is available, in what form it is available, from where you are getting. Somebody will not get ideas, sir. I'm not getting idea, not coming, not trying. Seriously not trying. That will be the reason. Nothing is there. When not understanding, put on a paper what it is, what form. Some imagination should be generated from the locations. So whenever I read an array, where it is available now, sir? Yesterday diagram is there. Whenever you read an array, diagram is there for you. Diagram already there now. Is a diagram or not now? Array. This is our array form. So from this array, I am reading. Already this is the array form only, no? Yes or no? This is available. From here, I must take outside. Each word I must reverse it. Whenever I want reverse it, each word, first I must take the string outside. Further loop is running. I is equal to 0. 0 less than some n minus 1. I is equal to 0, no? A of 0. A of 0 means first one. First one means imagine it, Java is simple. First one. String tokenizer will break the string into 3 pieces, no? Java is simple. String tokenizer. Sir, I am absent for string tokenizer means nobody can help you. That is secondary part. Sir, I not yet attended string tokenizer, the class will not come back now. Read it and apply it. Very careful. String tokenizer will play a role. Buffer will play a role. Because we spend already we given some time there for you. Maximum time I given 6 to 7 sessions I given almost. Now, whatever the string taken here, Java is simple. I am giving to tokenizer. Tokenizer will break into 3 pieces. Java is simple. I am running a loop. First Java will come. First token will come outside. No, Java will come. Send an TSB. Reverse. Java reversed. Second token is will come. Reverse. Next one. Java is simple will come. Reverse it. When the string is completed, means the tokens completed, the tokenizer means the while loop will be ended, control will come to new line, and I plus plus. I plus plus means I is equal to 1 now. I is equal to 1 means second will come. Java is secured will come. Again, give that Java is secure to string tokenizer. Break into 3 places. Java is secured. Same concept. Like this. Every time we take the string and give to tokenizer, break into pieces, take one piece outside, give to buffer and reverse it. Like this, individual words are reversed. Important question also that one. In company papers, it is available, reversing. But in the question paper, what I given? Somewhere I given to make you to think more internally. Small question formats I given there. Analyze that questions, put on a paper in the diagrammatical form and convert it. Then the solutions will come out. So when you're doing this, what happened now? Who are really doing what happened now? Pressure will be on the mind. Who are really doing? Not doing, pressure not there. The secondary issue. Who are really trying out, some pressure will be there on the mind. That pressure only needed. Why means mind should be expanded in thinking. Today's scenario, students stopped thinking. No, smartphone and smart content today. Many people don't know how to write correctly. I think writing also gone now because of pandemic. All soft copies. My notes also soft copy only. No. Nobody is selling the red ink, blue ink, green ink. I think they sales down. I think nobody is buying. I think previously they used to write no red color, blue color, green color, underline. Nowadays not there. Means what? Slowly the smart content is increasing. When that smart content increases, expansion not there. Mind expansion not there. For that, we give some question paper format questions. Who are really trying what happened now? They'll read that question. They will not understand. They'll read again. They'll read again. So 1 or 2% of pressure will be on the mind. Hope we feel that some expansion happens in thinking. Here also 3 objects you have to imagine it. 1 array object, 1 tokenizer object, 1 is buffer objects. 3 different objects are available because this question is available in the market to you. It's a theory. Now the last one. Write a program to read multiple strings using array and display reverse of words in each string which starts with vowel. Which is starting with vowel, that only you must do. Remaining you must not do. That's the meaning actually. Okay. I will try it. See there, same program only. Save as demo array 6. Click on OK. Same program. Here token is coming now. Token is coming or not now? This is string actually. Here I'll take string str is equal to ob dot next token. I'll say here I am passing str. But before that I must cross check no. Yes or no na? How I should cross check now? Sir, switch whether it is vowel or not. How to check it now? Sir, str dot char at of 0. The first one only no. The first content or not now? Only one content. First content only. The first one should be checked, not second one. Only 0 content or not now, right? So here, case. For this also already program is there for you. If it is true, you have to reverse it or not now? Else the control will come to default. And if it is true, then you have to reverse it. If you have to do, then you have to reverse it. Yes or no? Na? Else print normally. System dot out dot println. Here print str. If not, print normally. Here two strings available, no? Two strings. I cannot type total. See there. ISSI, ON1, ENO, OF of FO, object reversed, oriented reversed. Wherever the word starting with vowel, that is reversed or not now? All of you observed that? Right. Okay. I'll explain that. After writing the solution also, you will have more time. So take one paper and analyze. Analyze means draw the objects and check it. Then only will come. By seeing a program, not possible. Object you must draw. Location, what you are taking, what you are reversing. If you understood, well and good. Demo string, sorry, demo array 6 dot Java. See the logic once. String tokenizer object, string buffer object, one switch case. Slowly program increased and came now. But all logics available with you already. In a separate way, they are available. They are bringing all together. See there. I of 0. The first string is coming. The first string is breaking into pieces. The pieces are available on the string tokenizer. We are taking the token one by one. When we are taking the token out, first token taken means first piece. From the first piece, character at 0, 0 index. If it is among vowel, reverse it. Else, don't reverse it. Understood this point? If it is first character among vowel, take that string to buffer and reverse it. If not, default means not matched here now. Then you print normally, str you print it. Like this, the while loop runs on each word. After first string completed, end of while loop. This is end of while loop. And this is for loop. Now, next, println means new line. Go with I++. Here 1 now. Take the first string, break into pieces, run on the second string, right? Again, take one by one, cross check. The first character is vowel or not. If the first character vowel, reverse. If not, don't reverse. All of you understood the logic, right? So these 3 programs, remember it. right? Easy only because already you've seen once. Little easy only. Just you remember them, analyze once, and keep the solutions with you. To the three programs. How many of you done this? That is easy only, no? Here logic not there. Reading and printing only. Yes or no? Na? Just reading and printing only. Logic not available, I think. Right. Go forward now for today's concept. Make a siding. Multiple inheritance. Sorry. Why multiple came? Just now I hanging in multiple inheritance and coming. Right. Multi-dimensional arrays. Yesterday's total programs on single dimension only. Today I edited an array already. So today I'll update that programs, 5 or 6 programs on array based programs. Today or tomorrow I'll upload to you. That 8 and this 5 or 6. Total 13, 14 questions, I'll keep it. I'll give the solutions to all. I'll give a live code. One day, 2 Saturdays, anyone 2 Saturdays, I'll write that codes in a live code. Meanwhile, you try it. Wrong or right or among your friend discussions, whatever it may be, you try to write it. Some knowledge will gain it, no, 40%, 50%, 60%. Some knowledge will come. After that, I'll give a live code to you, how to provide a solutions for them. All that 8 questions and array questions. After this topic, we are entering into inheritance. From there, case studies will be started. When the inheritance started, case studies will be started. Okay, right. Multi-dimensional arrays. The arrays which are declared with multiple dimensions. The arrays which are declared with multiple dimensions are known as multi-dimensional arrays. The arrays which are declared with multiple dimensions are known as multi-dimensional arrays. Example for multi-dimensional arrays are 2-dimensional arrays, 3-dimensional arrays, 4-dimensional arrays, ... 2-dimension, 3-dimension, 4-dimension. Right. So all these comes under multi-dimension only. Note. Multi-dimensional arrays are less used in real time. Multi-dimensional arrays are less used in real time when compared to one-dimensional arrays. multi-dimensional arrays are less used in real time when compared to one-dimensional arrays. But using two-dimensional arrays, we can construct jagged arrays. But using two-dimensional arrays, we can construct jagged arrays. Jagged arrays. Underline the term jagged arrays. Define jagged arrays. The arrays which hold array objects. The arrays which hold array objects. The arrays which hold array objects is known as jagged array. The arrays which hold array objects. Array is holding wrapper class objects. Array is holding string objects. Array is holding user defined class objects. Array can hold array objects. If an array can hold array objects, that by terminology we call it as a jagged array. It's a theory. Now, let me write one example program. Right. Now look here. Demo array 7. I am taking some arrays. 1 minute. Import. While I am typing only, observe it. Okay, right. Scanner S is equal to new scanner of system.in s.close. Now system.out.println. Enter the size of array 1. Enter the size of array 1. Into sum size 1 is equal to, if not, you can take n1 is equal to s dot next int. Now integer a1 is equal to new integer of n1 is the first array. Is the first array or not now? Right. Okay. Now system dot out dot println, enter n1 elements for array 1, n elements for array 1. Run the loop. End of loop. Int I is equal to 0. All of you practiced array no yesterday? How many of you practiced? Raise your hands. Very good, maximum. Remaining people still not started. Equal to a1 dot length I plus plus. Yesterday rain is there, no sir, we not practice it, sir. Right, okay. Look here. I am introducing one keyword here, length. Whenever you want to find, yesterday I not introduced, today I am introducing because I asked a question whether you practiced or not, because the flavor you must understand. I am closing array today. Concept I am closing. Only program spending will be there. Okay, right. Now a1 dot length. So one question is there, inter question. What is the difference between length and length of? One question is there. Inter question. You don't write that question. Just watch it. What is the difference between length and length, length of? You know this, no? Yes or no? Na? To find length of string. This one to find length of array or size of array. You are either given this option to you. Okay, right. I'll write the question in the last. Yesterday not used, today I am using. To introduce, I am using. Okay, right. Now read it. For loop is then no a1 of I equal to new integer of s dot next int. So first array is ready. Yes or no? Right. Now in the same way, read the second array because jagged array should hold multiple arrays. No. So read the second array. Enter the size of array 2. You take n2. You take a2. You take n2 here. This is n2 for array 2. Here a2 length. And this is a2. So second array. Any warning is coming, I given a notes on annotation already. Yes or no? Na? Because I'll be asking because I'll forget it generally. Now. Right. That warning is removed anyway. So now two arrays are ready. Right. Imagine I am creating two arrays. This is one array. This is one array object. Suppose n1, I entered 3. Imagine it. Whenever I entered 3, 3 integer objects are added. 3 integer objects are added. Three integer objects are added. I'm adding one 11 wrapper class object anyway. Like this, I did. Of course, two string method. Somebody asking this two string. So two string method as if like string only. In the string, two string method is there? No. I given a notes, I forget it. Yesterday somebody asked, I also got a doubt whether I written or not written. Okay. Two string method notes not written. I explained it to you orally, I think, right? Because somebody asked yesterday. I'll write the notes in the last. Somewhere I'll write it. Right. Anyway, look here. Now, so here string object. Two string method is available in almost built-in classes. Available in string classes, available in wrapper classes, available in collection classes, available in map classes, available in enum class, even available in exceptionals. The duty of toString method is to display the content available in the object. Whatever available in the object, it displays. And moreover, it is an auto executable method. No need to call manually. If you don't call also, it runs. That's the specialty of the toString method. Even we can write toString method under our user defined class. That one I written yesterday. Yesterday, in the employee class, I written it. ToString method I recorded. Even the ToString method you can write manually, part of your user defined class. I'll write a notes anyway. So anyway, you're using and coming. So this is your array 1. You are imaginating where with a size 3. So indexes. This is 0, 1 and 1. Now this is array 1. I had array 2 also. In our program, we had array 2 also. We had array 2 also. Imagine array 2, I given the size 4 I given. Now 4 objects. Like this. Maintain patience, I'll complete it. Jagged error, you will not understand the loop. toString method. Zero x 66, 0x77, 0x88, 0x99. This is array 2 finally. Right. See there. You are imagining two arrays now. Like this, you can take any number of arrays. After this one, here, below this, we are taking one jagged array. We are taking like this. Integer a equal to new integer, not new integer, bracket a1 comma a2. I'm adding a1 and a2. I'm adding. This one we are calling it as jagged array. Yes. So, sir, what happens here? What happens here? This one. So here, array created with the size 2. Array created with the size 2. Now that array is added with 2 addresses. One is first array address 0x11 and one more is 0x55. 0x11 and 0x55. This index value is 0 and this index value is 1. This one we are using a term known as jagged array. This one we are using jagged array term. The array holding array objects. Now we have to display based on this jagged array. We have to display. So here, system dot out dot println display from jagged array. Display from jagged array. Display from jagged array. So how we are displaying means, see there, one for loop I am writing, outer loop I am writing one more for loop, that is inner loop. How I am constructing the loop, observe there only once. We have to retrieve the data from jagged array. What is the name of jagged array? A. Yes or no? Na? What is the name of jagged array? A. So you write A here. A is the container name, no? Yes or no? Na? Right. Colon, you write. Now, what kind of data available in jagged array? Means integer data available. Integer data available in the form of array. Yes or no? Na? So there what is available means integer arrays are available. What is available on A now? Integer arrays are available. So you can write I. This is array form or not now? Yes or no? Na? This is one array form. A is holding integer arrays. That's the concept. Now this for loop extended for from A, take the first array outside. First array means this one. Sorry, it takes the first array outside. After taking this first array outside, loading onto I equal to 0x11. Now I is holding 0x11. All of you understood this? Say yes or no to me once. All of you clear that? See there? Observe it. I am using extended for on the container name A. A means jagged array name. In the jagged array, what kind of data available? Integer arrays are available. Now from the jagged array, first array is taken. First array means 0x11 loaded onto I. That's the concept. Now when the 0x11 loaded onto I, from that I must use extended for. From that I must use extended for. 0x11 means that is one array object now here. This is the array object. In this array object, I am retrieving. So here I must run on I. Inner loop. Running on what now? I. I means array no. Yes or no? Na? Right. So what kind of data available on I now? Sir, integer data available. I is not holding array objects. I is holding normal integer objects it is holding. So J. So I is holding normal integer objects. A is holding integer array objects. That is the difference. Now the inner loop is running on I. I means here 0x11. Now running on 0x11. When you are running on 0x11, they will take the data one by one. This will be loaded onto J. At last, J is holding the first value. All of you observed this. Now, print J. System.out println. System.out print J dot toString after printing space. So first element is printed. This one. J means 0x22, 11 is printed. Now inner loop runs on I. So second one is taken now. What is the second one now? Second one is taken, printed. Third one taken, printed. So inner loop execution completed. When the inner loop execution completed on I, the control will come to outer loop. Whenever the control is coming to outer loop now, we must change the cursor. System.out.println. Move the cursor down, new line. After moving the cursor down, control will go to A now. When the control goes to A now, second element is removed from A. Second element means here 0x55 will come. This will go here, 0x55 will be taken. Zero x55. Now the inner loop is running on 0x55. Now inner loop is running on I. I is holding 0x55. inner loop runs. So what happened now? Again, iteration starts on this array by loading onto J. Now the inner loop runs like this. It displays all the elements from this array. It displays. Once inner loop completed, control will come to outer loop. In outer loop, elements completed, no, it will be stopped. That is jagged array. Array holding array objects. Outer loop running on jagged array. Jagged array holding integer array objects. Now run it. Answer will come. Enter the size of array 1, 3. Enter 3 elements for array 11, 12, 13. Why? 4. Loop I written wrongly or what? I less than length, not equal to. Less than the length. All of you understood this? Right. Okay. Now running array 3, 11, 12, 13. Enter the size for array 2, 4. Enter 4 elements 1, 1, 1. Some 2, 2, 2. Answer is coming? No. It is printing like an array. If you want more clearly here you can write a comment. Array. First one is one array. Second one is one array. Like this, array can hold array objects. Actually, your C teachers will prepare your mindset actually. How they will prepare? Matrix multiplication, matrix addition, and so on. Matrix is an example of 2 dimension. But 2 dimension is not matrix. That point student forget it already. Whenever 2 dimension is there, they'll think matrix only. Especially who spoiled you means Balaguru Swami and Yashwant Kanidkar spoiled you. Why means, of course, they are correct only. They are correct 100%. Why means, student will come from intermediate, no? Corporate college. By harding. 6 months, they'll by hard. Syllabus completed in first 4 months. Remaining all formula by heading, I think. That is physics by heading, chemistry by heading, maths by heading. Because engineering college means some maths background students, they feel it. They see people thought it. Maths is there, no matrix will be there. So student will understand more, they'll think it, they'll write matrix. That is a major intention. Your other intention that only. If I want to explain 1 2 dimension, if I write matrix, you will understand, no? Because maths background student, no? They started writing matrix. All programs they'll run matrix. At last, student will think what 2 dimension means matrix. Matrix means 2 dimension. You think it. Difference you're getting or not now? That's at last they prepared. Now also they'll ask. In interview also they'll ask it. 2 dimension, 3 dimension, something they'll ask it. But actually, array holding arrays. Each row is one array. Our psychology different. When the data is coming from the database table. Suppose if we take a train details, they'll come like a rows, no? They'll come like a rows or not now. One row, one row, one row. First train detail, second train detail, third train detail. So when the practically that kind of data is there, where comes the question of matrix multiplication for us? If we take Amazon, if we take Flipkart, their product stores no. When the data is available in the form of a table, of course, table is a matrix, no? Yes, right. But you cannot say matrix always there, no. I'll say table data, I'll say. Because products will come, Flipkart if we take it, products will come, Amazon if we take it, products will come. You go to Reliance, Fresh, product store that is. You pick some products and go, they'll do a billing. The billing is done by us only, no. Programmer. They'll take one soap, they'll swipe it. Soap into two soaps, 2 brushes, 2 shampoos, into 2 they'll write no. Product no. Product means what? One code will be there, one name will be there, one price will be there. You brought one quantity will be there. That only we written no. In that process, how the data is available? Yesterday there no data. Yesterday is coming by row or not now. That only available. So in the real time, 1 dimension available, 2 dimension not there. That only final consequence. Yesterday you done no, products came no already. Already yesterday books came no. Go to Himalaya bookstore. That is product store only no. Product bookstore. Understood this point or not? You go to main office of your Naresh Shetty, one server will be there. Employee server. Go to one college, student server. Go to one banking sector, banking server. All records only no. Sir, practically they are available in the form of a record. So 1 dimension is enough to hold it. If you want more to hold it, take a 2 dimension form, but it is going to hold arrays. It comes under jagged array. Here syntax is 2 dimension only. Can you see this syntax? 2 dimension syntax only no. This 2 dimension syntax, but form is what now? Jagged array. It is holding arrays. That's the point. That's the point. Demo array 7.java output. That is jagged array. No, sir. I want to practice matrix multiplication, sir, means you take Java C program and write in main method, answer will come. Yes, sir, no, na. Sir, I seen in the few textbooks, sir. They write int a is equal to new int of 4, they'll write. Anybody seen this syntax? Right, you can say this. Some textbooks. You must take the textbooks and you must strike out actually. Actually, you go to Himalaya bookstore and strike them and come. They'll ask why you're striking, means call that other ones. You can call it. The other will ask why you're striking. Int is primitive or non-primitive? Primitive or non-primitive? New operator must work on class or non-primitive or non-primitive? Here class name should come, no. The other why you are writing primitive there. Understood this statement? Then why answer is coming, sir? Answer will come. Why answer is coming means auto boxing. Auto boxing is there or not now? It converts into class and it is doing the work. Sir, I must know now, sir. I'm saying this point, do you know? So actual rule is what? New followed by class name, no. In interview, they'll ask a question, this one. Int A equal to new int. Whether correct or not correct. Means answer is not correct. New operator followed by class name. Then why it is working if I write a program? You say auto boxing available. It is automatically considering in the form of integer class. From which year, sir? 2004. 18 years back the format came. Because engineer forget it. 18 years back the form came. 18 years back, 2004. Your Java language changed that mode. The student psychology we are not understanding. University level, let us give a permission for auto box. Because of this reason, when you write int a array equal to int a, answer will come. But you must know who are sitting in my class today. That is auto boxing is there in the background. It is coming. But actually should not come. Understood the statement? But you don't write. When you go to real time, don't write. In what is that? Interview questions, you write it. When you are doing in a lab, you try it. When you go to real time market, don't write it. You must write integer class. Understood the statement now? String class, you must write it. You check my books very clearly. I never write this syntax. Almost it is 138 batch and in that 138 batch books are available in the market. Somebody is selling still. You check from first book onwards. I never write int a. I never write. So you must not write it. You people also must not write it. If you want to practice for C language flavor, practice. Pass the examination. Forget and come to real-time market. Real-time market different. In the interview, old for loop is there. In real-time market, for each and extended for is there. Understood now? In interview, string-based questions are there. In real-time, buffer is there. What you will do? Understood the statement or not? No. In interview, your array is holding value and working. In the real-time, array is holding products. Array is holding books. Array is holding employees. Difference is there now. All of you got it? That points you have to catch it bit clearly what I am speaking. At last, multi-dimension array not available to you in the market, but a two-dimension array will support you to construct jagged array. Interview question is there. Array holding array objects. That is known as a jagged array. Make it FAQ. One more. Define object array. You know why market is getting tools? That is the reason. Since many years, what happened is this technology transformation not properly happening. You take one engineering college student and you take one engineering college, any student, you also some engineers are there. You'll go to the class, you'll write one notes. At last, we'll buy one spectrum series and read it. Writing something, attending something, listening something. At last, whatever you want, you are writing and coming out. That only happens. Observe it. You'll go to the class for attendance, I think. If you are impressed with some topics, you'll listen it. But you never present to the examination. You'll read something again. At last, you'll remember some part. Going to examination, whatever you remember, you'll write and come. Coming out of that college, how you joined, the same form you'll come. You never carry anything into the market. Because of this reason, since many years, transforming of knowledge into applicative part has been stopped. Frankly speaking. If it continues for many years, what happens? We don't know. Because the tools are coming. They'll pick some engineers. The skilled engineers, they'll pick it. They'll take to R&D. Write the algorithm and give one tool to me. Because all these engineers in the market are service engineers. They are waiting for the tools. They don't want to design the tools. So they are filtering for the skill and they're picking. Taking to R&D and giving a tool to you. Yes or no? Understood this point now? That only happening. DevOps, development operational tools, DevSecOps, development security operational tools. Sir, I also will learn DevOps, sir, means you are a service engineer. You came into market to learn tools. Why don't you be a vendor engineer? Difference you're getting or not now? Two engineers. Because of this reason, your market people are looking for tool designs. Because the skilled engineer, we cannot find it. That only. Knowledge proper, not transferring into applicative area. That NASCOM, that only. NASCOM fear that only. Government of India, NASCOM fear that only. If it continues, we have to filter and filter. Somewhere one skilled person we can find it. If it continues, you take now, March is coming, 600 and plus engineering college students will come out. If we correctly filter, how many will be there skilled? If Naresh IT is not there, that people will not, they will not go to company, they'll come to here only, no? Difference is getting that now. I'm speaking correctly only, yes or no? Correct only. Because I seen the transformations already. Why I'm speaking that only tools concept only. All tool based working means they are not billing you. Tools will do the work. That's the concept. Here also sorting process is there. For us, sort process I am introducing anyway. Sort process is there. Suppose if you want to do sorting in Java, one engineer went to R&D. He written one method. He written one algorithm. He kept the sort method in your library. Java P, Java dot, util dot, arrays. One method readily available to you. That is known as sort. One method will be there. Take that sort, give array. It only will do the work and give it. That headache not there. A of I greater than A of J. Temp is equal to A of I. You'll write bubble sort or not now. That headache not there. So what happened here now? Some engineers are working on API designs. They are writing algorithms and giving to you. Sort algorithm, binary search algorithm. You can see down. Can you see? Understood? They are readily available to you. So just we are passing array, that's all. And the key, it only will search it and give to you directly. Just you pass one array here. Automatically it only keep in ascending order and give it. You give any size, it will give ascending order and give it. Sir, who written this method? One engineer written. That only. Process happening in the market. They are selecting skilled. They are sharpening them. The companies are moving that skilled persons up, dumping into R&D, product-based company. They'll make them to convert their knowledge into one algorithmic form. And using that algorithm, they'll ask you to write one logic. They'll bind the logic into one method form. They'll embed into one API. They release in the next version. Who are waiting in the market? Service engineers. They'll open the class, they'll see the method, they'll use it. Difference you're getting? That is only cyclic process. Among us, this many people are sitting today. All will enter into service company. Among that, few persons will grow with the skill and go up. They'll do the certifications with best performances. The company will move them to R&D. That's really happening. They have to find out. No, sir, I am not working means you will come down like this. Service engineers will step down. So who had a skilled persons, they'll go up, enter into R&D. There, this kind of methods in the new versions will come. Not only cyclic process. In this all process, how many arrays means only one array. What is that array now? Single dimension. Open the library and filter it. Nowhere you can see multiple dimensions not there. We never write multiple dimensions. We write only single dimension form. We write it. Because of this reason, in real time, one dimensional array available. Multi-dimensional arrays are not available. On demand, whenever you want to construct a jagged array, we take the support of two-dimension arrays. Two-dimension means not matrix. Two-dimension means two-dimension only. Understood this point now? I also will show the program and matrix. Don't worry. First, you have to adapt the concept. If I write matrix, what happen? Again, 50% of the people go to C language again. That immediately will go to C language and pick it. So we take care not to move the student into that area, because all array forms, no, all address forms are coming. So if you see the diagrams, all address forms, total address form diagrams are there. If you take a C nodes, how the nodes will be there? One box, down 0, 1, 2, 3, numbers will be there. Correct only. Because they work with value. They never work with address. Their context correct only. Because they work with value. They are primitive people. But I am object oriented person, no. For me, objects. Everything one object, everything one address. I am binding with addresses. I am working on addresses. I am bringing the addresses outside. Total working is in the form of object references. The reason we are object oriented programmers. In that process, one special array is coming, known as object array. Make it the array. The array which is declared with java.lang.object class. The array which is declared with java.lang.object class is known as object array. The array which is declared with java.lang.object class is known as object array. Syntax look like this. Object O equal to new object of some size you can take here. Now, advantage. Look here, the specialty of object array can hold dissimilar objects. Object array can hold, make it object array can hold dissimilar objects. Object array can hold dissimilar objects, which means holding objects generated from different classes. Object array can hold dissimilar objects, which means holding objects generated from different classes. Why object array is holding dissimilar objects means object is a parent of all the classes. I made a statement this one. Yes or no? Na? Parent can hold children. There is a rule of next coming chapter, inheritance. Parents can hold children. Yes, no? We are also taken care by our parents. Parents will hold children. Here also, object is a parent for all the classes. So object can hold its child class objects directly. So object can hold integer objects. Object can hold string objects. Object can hold user defined class objects. All at a time I can hold because I am a dissimilar object array. That's a concept. Our example to demonstrate that. nowadays core Java based recruitment is taking few companies. You are ready 40%, you are ready with array. After 2 weeks you are ready by 75 to 80%, you are ready. Any core Java based recruitments are there, you can pick it. So nowadays Salesforce, their Salesforce people, companies are recruiting core Java based students, they are recruiting, and they're giving time training up to 6 to 8 months training they are giving, and they are placing in Salesforce CRM. So that is some companies are doing that options. Wherever the core based core, that kind of things happen, you pick it. Core Java based, any working with the training, pick it out. Yesterday 10 people recruited core Java based. So they'll take any degree and they'll take it out. Any that kind of option is there, pick it. You are ready by 40% up to now, right? So after inheritance process, you will be ready by 60%. So next coming chapters, that only reference, inheritance, inner class, you'll be ready by 60% within 2 weeks, right? From now, within 2 weeks, you're ready for all interviews. Already, if you go to interview also, you can crack 40% of questions up to now. Variable, method, block, constructor, package, strings, wrapper class, and arrays. At least theoretical and conceptual, you are ready. Some practical analysis needed still. Some programs I must dump it. I must explain that programs like this. I must do some work. That practical, anybody kept some system test, no? That will be very hard. Conceptually, you can answer. What is array? What is that? You can answer it. Conceptually, you are ready. Practically, you must need some time. Frankly, I knows the state of you already. Conceptually, if you read today night correctly from day 1 to today, 40% of among 20, you can answer almost 8 to 12 questions. You can answer clearly. You can answer it. But within 2 weeks, I'll make you ready for remaining 20 to 25%. I'll make you ready in conceptual. And for practical analysis, I'm dumping some questions. No, from that, any new logics are there, we are going to introduce. That is practical analysis. Just I'm giving a suggestion. So any core Java based recruitment happening, pick it out. Nowadays they are recruiting. They started recruitment on core Java based to another. Look into the market once and start it. Now object O, new object. I'll take the size 3. I will take it. I'll import employee class. Yesterday employee is there. Now I'll import test.employee. See there. Whenever I take object of size 3, how many index values are there now? 3 indexes. One is 0, one is 1, one is 2. Means O of 0. Here I'll add one integer object. I'll add it. So this is integer wrapper class object. O of 1. I'll add one string object. String, double quotes, NIT, some HYD. Roughly one string object. One string object means object class is holding one integer object, one string object, one user defined class object. New employee code needed, no? Right. Employee code is string, no? A123. Employee name is Ram. Designation SE. Your basic salary 12,000. Some 32,740. Roughly I'm writing. This only. Not this one. I forget it. I must add with object name or not now? Right. Can I add constructor here? Can I add constructor? So public employee string ID, string name, string designation, int basic salary, float total salary. Same names are there, you must use what now? This dot ID is equal to ID. This dot name is equal to name. This dot designation is equal to designation. This dot basic salary is equal to basic salary. Now this dot total salary is equal to. Now I used one constructor. Now this is constructor. This is user defined employee object. You have to display system.out.println display from object array. I can use extended for end of loop. Here object, sorry, array name is O colon. What kind of data available means object data available, you must say. What kind of data now? Object data means parent name. Dissimilar is there, no? Dissimilar is there means you must say parent name. Who is the parent of all these objects means object. So all are object type. So print it. System.out.println k.toString. So automatically answer will come. So finally object array is holding dissimilar objects. All of you clear about this statement? Right. Okay. Now this is demo array 2. A demo array 8 dot. So here we keep a full stop for today's class. Today's solutions available, review and come. And tomorrow I'll make a revision for 15 minutes. And we are concluding, writing 1 or 2 FAQ questions and going forward. Okay, right. Take a break. Thank you very much for today.
Product code, product name, okay, sir. Code, product name. Rasha, sir. Into code this whole string. Code string int, sir. String this would as that next line, Rasha, sir. ఇప్పుడు 2 arrays ఉన్నాయి సార్. సెకండ్ అరే నుంచి థర్డ్ ఎలిమెంట్ రిట్రైవ్ చేయాలంటే లాస్ట్ ఏదైనా ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ రిట్రైవ్ చేయాలంటే లాస్ట్ 2 arrays ఇచ్చారు సార్. అందులో నుంచి నాకు ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ కావాలి సార్. 333 అని ఎలిమెంట్ ఓన్లీ ఇదే కాదు, రిటర్న్ చేయాలంటే లాస్ట్ చేయాలి సార్.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ అరేలు ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి?
ఏ ఏలో ఉంది జాగ్రత్త
జాగ్రత్త ఏరియాలో ఉన్నాయా? ఇన్నర్ లూప్ ఉంది కదా, ఇన్నర్ లూప్ లో కండిషన్ పెట్టండి. Condition not given. Grammar class given. Notes not given. ఇది రావాలా?
సార్
జాగ్రత్త
2 అరేస్ ఎంటర్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ రీట్రైవ్ చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నాను.
తీసుకోవాలి.
మరి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అరేలో డిసిమిలర్ డేటా టైప్స్ ఇన్పుట్స్ కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు సార్. ఇన్పుట్స్ కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చా?
జీరో ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంటుంది కదా, జీరో ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ రాదు కదా, ఇంకో ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో వాడాను కానీ దానికి రాశాను. ఇక్కడ కండిషన్ వస్తుంది కదా, జైలోకి ఎలిమెంట్ వస్తుంది కదా, దీనిపైన కండిషన్ పెట్టి నీకు ఏం కావాలో అదే ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది. అన్ని ప్రింట్ అవ్వకుండా ఒకటే ప్రింట్ అవ్వాలి కదా,
దాని ఇండెక్స్ పెట్టాం.
దాని ప్రింట్ జే అక్కడ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది కదా, జే వాల్యూ జే డాట్ టు స్ట్రింగ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 333 ప్రింట్ ఆ ఎలిమెంట్ ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది.
ఓకే సార్.
ఆపరేషన్ క్లాస్ కండిషన్ comparing sideways.
Yes, no. What will the input and output for the question number 6? I can get it, sir. That is the solution. Sir, you can just give example. Question number 6. Question number 6. Sir, take a correct take a string and write it will return as a string. Then it has to convert into character array. Then it will create a string of then count the yes sir. I'll do that. But it will take that character and it will convert to next line. It will count this the small letter a for the all the string. Then what will be the output? It will add the small letter a to a into the before the string, or it will add a then character. Just I am asking about. Converted to ASCII value. Question is also there. So question number 6. Yes. And moves all the lower case. So the output will be A C H R C T E like that. That only, no? Yes. I'm asking something. As a buffer and yes. Second one. After that, why the first space is there or then so the comma will be separated by a space. So it is mainly in the one line, so I it will come only count only word one side. So the after word the space is there, then comma, then word. Thank you, sir.
అదే సార్ వచ్చారు.